What's up guys, it's Stas here, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to drop a comment in the comment section below letting me know that you're a new subscriber, because once I hit 250 subscribers, which is actually coming up pretty quickly guys, I'm almost at 200, I'm at like 160 right now, so once I hit 250, I'm going to be picking a random person from the comment section and just giving them a little prize. So if you guys are new, make sure to hop in on that, and let's just hop right into the video now guys. So as you read in the title of this video guys, I just wanted to go over the number one key in my opinion to becoming a successful swing trader. So before I hop into that topic, I just wanted to distinguish really quickly what a swing trader is compared to a day trader, because that's what a lot of people get into when they first start to look at trading, look at the stock market, looking at investing in general. So a day trader pretty much is somebody that buys a stock on Monday, let's say for example, and then sells that same exact stock on that same Monday. So it's when you buy and sell on the same day. A swing trader, which is what I do, which is what I focus all of my investing on, is when you buy, let's say, a stock on Monday, then you can sell it on Wednesday, maybe even a week or two later, and maybe even a month or two later. So that is what I do, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about the number one key to becoming a successful swing trader. So the number one thing, in my opinion, to becoming a successful swing trader is patience, guys. So whenever new people come into the stock market and look to start trading, look to start day trading, swing trading, they have a plan, right? They understand where they want to get in, they understand where they want to exit, and initially, if things usually don't go their way, they bail out and they just throw the plan right out the window, and they just start thinking irrationally. So let's just use DGAS as an example here. I've set at a support level right here at $22. That's where it's currently at right now. And let's just say somebody was looking to invest into DGAS, right? DGAS shows very solid patterns here. It has common trends. It has common places where it usually dips, bounces at, and people have taken acknowledgement to these patterns, right? So let's say if a new investor has come into the game, right, hasn't really been investing for a while, hasn't really been trading the stock market for a while, and they get in right about here, right? There's another support level at $26. They get in right around here, right? What I see a lot of people do is if the stock were to fall like it did, right, it went to $22, they would panic sell. They would just ditch their original plan of getting in at around $26 and selling at resistance levels of like $32, right? A lot of people would just ditch it and not look at alternative ways to treat that investment. So I just wanted to go over why I think patience is a virtue in order to be a successful swing trader. So like I said, right, people that hopped in at about $26 might have panicked when it dropped down to about $22 right now, but a smarter investor, a person that has been in the stock market for a while, would treat this as another buying opportunity, right, in order to average down in their share position and profit on the way back up, because DGAS moves as natural gas moves. This is not really a DGAS video, but natural gas is very bullish right now. It's about like $3.20 last time I checked. And whenever natural gas goes up, DGAS goes down. So right now, natural gas, very bullish, right? That's not going to last forever, right? It's going to start to turn bearish and fall down, and that's expected to happen this week. So stocks like that, stocks that you understand, ETFs that you understand what are going to happen with them, you will be able to play them according to how they move. So with this particular DGAS stock, like I said, someone that bought in at $26 might have panic sold. But the way that you have to look at it, guys, is add more shares as the price goes down to an even better buying price if you see value in that particular ETF slash stock. So I see value in DGAS. If I was that person, right, that bought at $26, I would not have panic sold, right? I would be adding more shares right here, or as it dips down a little bit more and starts to form an uptrend, starts to break above that EMA line, right? All these different things have to fall into place. But I would be very confident with DGAS because of the chart, first of all, and because of natural gas being super bullish right now. It's a matter of time before it comes to a pullback. So whenever natural gas pullbacks, DGAS is going to pop. So patience, guys, patience. I know I went on a little bit of a tangent there with DGAS, but so moral of the story is, guys, as a swing trader, if you buy in one day and it starts to dip down, that's just all part of the game, guys, because there's going to be volatility in these particular stocks that you are trading as a swing trader, guys. But if you understand the potential that it provides in the coming weeks, with like DGAS, for example, look, it's right at the support level, like I said, it offers great potential in the coming weeks. 50% if it hits its highs of $43, right? You have to understand the bigger picture when it comes to swing trading. If things don't go your way initially, do not panic and do not panic sell and just take a loss, because chances are, if you've done your due diligence, if you've done the correct technical analysis, things can end up playing out your way in the longer term. So be patient, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this brought some value to you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to my channel. Hop in that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Have a great day, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video.